Viking refrigerator model VRI7300WLSM error codes. Complete your kitchen with this Viking 7 Series refrigerator. With fresh preservation technology that slows ripening, reduces mold, and eliminates odors, food maintains flavor longer and has an extended shelf life. Enjoy the convenience of a one-touch water filtering system and food that gets cold faster with the high-efficiency compressor. Bright LED lighting on this Viking 7 Series refrigerator lets you clearly see the items inside. Error codes. Code E1. Problem: compressor fault, high-low amps. Code E2. Problem: condenser fan motor fault, high-low amps. Code E3. Problem: evaporator thermistor sensor B fault, out of range. Code E4. Problem: display thermistor sensor a fault, out of range.